Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Do I have an amazing video for you guys today? A product was sent out to me to review, and guys, you know I do a lot of laser engraving, 3D printing, and also heat press. So check this out. We got this new product in today. I unboxed it. It was a beast to get out of the box, but it was very well packaged. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go back to the back desk here, take a look at all of the details of this cool product and figure out if this is gonna be something that's gonna be ideal for your side hustle, your DIY projects, or maybe just like me, just something to, entertain yourself with. You know how I'm saying? All right, guys, let's get right to it. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, this is the entire system as you guys see it right here. Now, in order for this to work, you will have to do a slight bit of assembly, but let me show you guys what that looks like. So here is one of the sections. I wanted to take it out so you guys can get a closer look at it. And this will come separately in the box, and it has these little connectors underneath here that you guys can see, and you're going to have to just screw those in, but these lock into place so that the device can communicate with it. And if you're like me and you don't want it to be permanently attached, you can just slide it into place like this and it'll lock in place. All right, so once you have that locked in place like so, you will be able to use both of these hotbeds for your projects, okay? So you can rotate this around from one pad to the other pad. Now it does come with two of these little protective liners. That's really nice that they include that with the heat press. The pad itself, you can remove it. It has these little straps underneath, for attaching the pad to it. That's really nice. I like seeing that because some of the previous ones I've used before had none at all, or it would have something that kind of sticks onto it. And trust me, with something that gets hot, that does not work very well. But this is a really, really nice design. I like it a lot. The color is beautiful. I will show you guys the controls up here in a second, but I just want you guys to see how flexible this is. Now, this has a auto press feature. So you have an auto button that you can press here on the top. And when you press that button, as you guys see, it'll come down automatically. It's going to press based on the temperature and the time that you have it set for. And then when that time elapses, then it will raise back up, and then you can move on to whatever your next project is going to be. Let's get that to go back up. All right, so another cool sticker that you guys see here. And what this gives you is a lot of presets for different types of material, and you can just attach that right here on the top, and you can always use that as a reference, which comes in really handy. It comes with a basic clamp. These come in handy sometimes. You might want to add a couple more of these, but having one in the box is still a nice thing. It does come with heat gloves, guys, and I'm telling you, if you've ever taken some acrylic out of your devices and it was a little warm, or you grab one of those shirts after a heat press, or you're heat pressing onto something like slate, I'm telling you, having some gloves is a must-have. Now, it will also arrive with a few sample graphics that you can use just to kind of get you started. Now, of course, you can purchase graphics. If you have a vinyl cutter, you can produce your own graphics as well. That's totally up to you, but it's really nice that they included that as well. All right, so let me take you guys over here and show you what this section here looks like, so you can see what the controls look like, okay? So first and foremost, we have this really nice little handle here that you can easily, grab. It is very well built. It does not feel plasticky or, flimsy in any kind of way. On the top here, you have your control buttons, you have your power button, you have your temperature, you have your auto button, that's for your press, you have your timer as well, and you also have your ability to raise and lower whatever the temperature is. So if you guys can see the temperature right now, I can increase that temperature, go here, and start to increase the temperature, as you guys can see. So that comes in really, really handy, super fast. And if you're using this for, projects where the temperature may vary, it's going to be really fast for you guys to make that transition between whatever the temperatures are. All right, guys. So as you can see, this is a very well-made device. Everything looks great. There's a little bit of assembly that is required, but for my insight of working with these heat presses in the past, I think this is going to be a great device for a side hustle, for all of your DIY projects. Yeah, I could really see a lot of benefit to this. I am very, very excited about, this becoming a part of my studio when I'm creating things for my family, my friends. In a nutshell, guys, what I can say to you is this thing is really well built. So if you've been thinking about getting a heat press, this is one you definitely might want to take a look at. I am very, very impressed with this guy. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.